In this video, I'm going to show you how you can do infographics in ChatGPT. Now, the new version of ChatGPT Image Creator will allow you to do infographics with perfect text. Now, most of the time, the text is 100% perfect, but sometimes you may see a character or two that might be off. And in that case, all you have to do is just regenerate the image again. So if you know what you want, you can just put it in here as a prompt. You'll just need to put create image, and then you would need to put create image of an infographic, and then put in your details of what you want. But in my case, I don't know what I want, so I am going to have it help me create an infographic. So I'm going to put help me create an infographic for gardening, and let's see what it says. Sure, I can help you with that. First, let's narrow it down of it. What specific gardening topic? Let's see. Where will you be using this infographic in any preferred style? Let's do garden planning by season. And we're just going to put what we want down there. And I'm going to separate them by commas. Where will you be using this? Social media. And then any preferred style. Well, colorful and fun. And we'll do a cartoonish look. Okay, I'm going to press enter and it's going to get started creating my infographic. Now, this could take some time based on the server load. Let me go to say that you do not need ChatGPT Plus to do this. You can do this with the free version of ChatGPT. However, your generations will be limited. So based on server load, your generations will be limited to how many that you can create. So I'm just going to let this run. It might take a couple minutes for that to happen. And once this generates, I'll be right back with you. Okay, so this is done and we will see how this turned out. So garden planning by season, and spring, prepare garden beds, so seeds indoors, plant cool season crops, apply mulch. In the summer, sow seed outdoors, transplant seedlings, water and weed, harvest vegetables. In the fall, plant cover crops, grow perennials, collect leaves, start a compost pile. And in winter, plan next year's garden, order seeds and supplies, prune deciduous plants, and start seeds indoors. So as you can see, there's a lot of text in there, and it got every bit of text correct. Like I said, there might be one or two that you might need to regenerate if the text does not come out 100%. So this is just a guide to what you can do with ChatGPT and its new image creation. Don't let this stop you here with the infographics. You can create tons of infographics with this, and you can do this for clients. You can do this for yourself. So the possibilities are endless. I've been waiting for AI to be able to do infographics for a long time, and now it's able to do that. And it created this fun cartoonish look as well. So when someone comes along that comes across this, they're going to see all this and they're probably going to stop and want to read it. So if you like this video, click the like below. Also subscribe to the channel for more tips and tricks with AI, and I'll see you in the next video.